Hey, this is Nick, the researcher from CoinBox Finance, and welcome back to another video where today we're doing a market recap of the global market. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is obviously the layout of the top 10 coins on the market. We see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana actually overtaking USDT and Cardano. We have XRP at the 7th spot, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and then USDC in the 10th spot. Now Shiba has decreased by about 20% very recently, which makes perfect sense and was coming. And I did say that, probably a few videos ago as well. In the future, we may actually see a very different top 10 layout, because a lot of these projects are actually, such as Bitcoin, are a lot slower than a lot of the other projects that are happening around here, such as Polygon, Matic, or Algo. But the thing is, currently, and it probably will stay like that for a long time, Bitcoin will be the most well-known currency, which means most of the people who are getting into crypto will invest specifically into Bitcoin, and then basically what will happen is Bitcoin is going to continue to grow, right? Even though grow or just simply hold its spot. So that's it when it comes to the top 10. I mean, the market cap is over 2.7 trillion at this point. It's only growing, and I do believe within this market, within this bull run, we could reach prices that would make a market cap of around 4 to 5 trillion. So we will see what happens in the following few months. We are in the greed stage of the index, and that is completely normal. We're in a bull run. I don't know how much I trust this indicator wherever you find it, but basically whenever we're in a bull run, everyone is pretty greedy, but we're not super greedy at this point because prices are not going up super high, right? And then when the market is going down, people will be fearful, and then it will be going more and more down at that stage. So the latest news when it comes to crypto, basically Square made a Cash App and the revenue decreased. That doesn't really matter. The most important one is NBA's Philadelphia 76ers are actually launching an NFT collection. Furthermore, Warner Bros are actually trying to launch Matrix NFT avatars as well. Solana hits a new all-time high. Should Zuck lead us to the metaverse? Basically, all you have to do is just press on one of these news. You will find out what the source is, how reliable it is, and find out more about the news. Obviously, get sent to the article. So when it comes to the technical side of this analysis, well, basically what we're seeing right now is another retracement in Bitcoin, which is sort of slowing down the market, where we see altcoins just kind of static at this point, right? Some of them a little bit up, some of them a little bit down, which is completely normal because Bitcoin is in a retracement right now. And I do expect this to last into the fib levels. So right up until this area, that would be my perfect sort of guess. But if volume comes earlier, we may create something along the lines of this, which would be very similar to Solana's movement in the more recent times. If we actually go into the logarithmic chart and we look at this, well, right here for Solana, actually, I did expect a retracement into fib levels again. So something, oh, sorry, I'm drawing my fib wrong. So something along the lines, we're starting from the bottom, right? So something along the lines of this when it comes to retracement. So I expected to move down into the 50 and then up, but simply buying pressure was too high at that point and price just broke out. So that could happen with Bitcoin as well. Essentially, we could do a Solana, so form something like this and then just simply go upwards. But whatever happens, I know we're going upwards after that. We will probably just break out and then find the next resistance around the 80k mark and then form another retracement, because we are still in this bullish ascending triangle. Sorry for the logarithmic chart. So basically at the point where we do reach the bottom or the support of this not triangle, of this trend channel, then we will know how strong buyers are, because at this point right here in the market, I don't believe we will be reaching a price so low to be able to reach this line or the support. But in the next push, it may actually be possible, because then we come down and we retrace down into the previous all-time high level and the level of support, which makes perfect sense. And then we're going for a new all-time high at, the 100k mark or something like that. So something like that makes perfect sense to me. This is what Bitcoin looks like. And when it comes to Ethereum, we are very similar to Bitcoin, except Ethereum is growing now in market cap and market share compared to Bitcoin. I do expect the movement up into the 5 5k mark, something like that, and then a retracement down into the previous all-time high levels, where we will find buying pressure and then another movement towards the upside. Now, why I did this? Well, very simply, I have my minimum price objective from any broken bullish flag. So the first objective is from the bottom, second objective to the top, and that's about it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give us a follow, especially right here. Just go to markets.coinboxfinance.com and you will literally find out and be able to analyze the market the same as I do every single day. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video, and don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor and you should do your own due diligence before investing into crypto and blockchain projects.